Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic, 12 Feng Shui house renovating mistake to avoid 2021. Let's check it out. In renovating your house, Feng Shui should be used with the utmost attention. It's easy to make a big Feng Shui mistakes when you are not aware how you are changing the energy flow in the house. The result of bad Feng Shui house renovating can express themselves in numerous ways, from complicating your family dynamics to blocking the flow of abundance in your life. Study this basic list of common Feng Shui house renovation mistakes. Be sure to avoid them in your own house renovation. 1. Bad Feng Shui, kitchen facing the bathroom. What you have in the case of a bathroom door facing the kitchen door is the energies of the bathroom release, purification, letting go, mingling with the precious energies of the kitchen, nourishment, cooking, warmth, love, and support. A bathroom over the bedroom. Bad Feng Shui. A bathroom located above the bedroom is not the best Feng Shui setup. An important factor to consider in looking for Feng Shui CURES in this case is how busy the upstairs bathroom will be. How often do you plan to use it? Master bedroom over the garage. Bad Feng Shui. A bedroom over the garage is not the best Feng Shui. If you find yourself not sleeping well, I suggest you seek the advice of a professional Feng Shui consultant in your area, as the CURES have to be specific to your environment or surroundings. Bad Feng Shui. Bathroom above the front door. One of the concerns you might have with the Feng Shui of a new or existing house is a bathroom over the main entry. As the main door is very important in Feng Shui, should you consider a house with a bathroom over the main door to have bad Feng Shui? 6. Bad Feng Shui. Bathroom facing the front door. The reason a bathroom door facing the main door is considered bad Feng Shui is simple. The universal energy or qi comes into the house through the front door. If your bathroom is facing the front door, most of the good energy will easily escape to the bathroom, leaving little or no good Feng Shui energy to nourish the house. 7. Bathroom in the center of the house. A bathroom in the center of the house is usually considered bad Feng Shui. Then, bad Feng Shui. A long narrow hallway. A long narrow hallway is considered bad Feng Shui if not taken care of properly. The reason the Feng Shui of a long narrow hallway is bad is because the energy of a long hallway has a combination of rushing Qi and, in most cases, stagnant energy. Wrong Feng Shui color choices. In Feng Shui, color is considered an expression of one of the 5 Feng Shui elements, so it is very important to choose good color for specific areas of your house. Full glass front doors are definitely not the best Feng Shui feature. You always want a strong front door, a door that has a presence and the power to not only attract strong energy and nourish the house, but also be able to protect the home from any income potentially negative energy. Finally, staircase in the center of a home. As a general rule, a staircase in the center of a home is considered bad Feng Shui and best to avoid. If you have moved into a house that has a staircase in the center, you can use Feng Shui to remedy the situation. However, if you are in the process of renovating your home and are considering to have a staircase in the center, we definitely advise you to avoid this feature. Okay, that's all. If you see this a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you anytime.